แมงจักจั่นเห็นปดเต็มอยู่นี่พี่น้องเต็มอยู่นี่หลอกขาบหลายพี่น้องเลยหลายที่แท้เลยบิน Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will pick up cicada. So there's too much cicada right here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead show you how to trim off the wing and trim up the leg, because you don't want to eat the wing and leg. It's too much cicada. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to cut. First I'm gonna go ahead show you how to lift up the wing, right? Lift up the wing, both wing like this, go back like this, and this lift up the leg right here. Trim up the legs, guys. First, see the legs gone. This is male. You wanna know male? Male got the needle. You don't want to eat this needle either, because gonna, hit your tongue, So trim up the part of male right here, and the second one, the third one, cut off the wing just like that. See, it's beautiful. Put in container right here. One more time, I'm gonna show you lift up the wing to the back and lift up the leg up, put up the leg like this, and trim off. Gone. You need the scissor, small one like this. And this is male. The male part, you don't want that. Take off the male part right here. There you go. It takes time, because a lot of cicada you take time to trim off, because when you eat, it's gonna be nice and crunchy. You make a chip, cicada chip, so good and then benefits. Just like that. A lot of male, you guys. So that's what I do. Just like that. It's very easy. Keep doing this until finished. If you have so much cicada, you're gonna spend at least 2-3 hours. It's okay, because this is so good, and then they benefits, and I have nothing to do. Just go ahead, keep cleaning and trim up the leg and wing. This is, you wanna know the female round, but they are round like they don't have the male part. So just cut off the wing and leg. That's it. So easy. Just keep doing until I finish. This is not the male. A lot of male. Sometimes a lot of female. See this male part right here. Take off. I'm gonna go ahead and show you until I finish, guys. Just like that. Male part. You don't want to eat male. Male part, they have like a needle. You don't want this one. You see that? Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish all of this. It's take me about an hour. I believe hour and a half. Just trim off just like that. How clean does it look? When you go stir fry, very crunchy, and eat like a chip. It's so delicious. So just keep going, and I see you when I'm finished. Okay? Okay, so I already finished trim up the wing and legs, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead clean, and when you stir fries, very crunchy. Let's go clean it. Clean about 5 times, because make them nice and clean, and until the water is crystal clear. Okay, nice and clean. Now let the water dry out. So I'm gonna go ahead stir fries and eat like a chip, or you can make hot sauce. It's up to you. The most important thing, you can clean out the wing and leg, so when you eat it's so delicious because this creamy and delicious, you know. Alright guys, let's go cook. Okay, the wing and leg I cut off, I trim off. I'm not gonna wasting. I'm gonna go ahead put in the plant, and they give the vitamin for my my plant, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead put in here. See that? Cover up very well. Go ahead, water. Beautiful. Let the mint go ahead, stir fries and olive oil, healthy oil. Okay, go ahead, cook for 15 minutes. Stir fry for 15 minutes, guys. Okay, the seasoning, nothing much sauce. Fish sauce. White pepper. This much. And cook for 15 minutes. Okay, done. That's it, guys, done. It's a cicada chip and eating so delicious.